Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to the online class of Geeta Global School. I am your GK teacher. So, students, today, from your Together with General Awareness book, we are going to read chapter number 12, The United Nations, given on page number 22. So, students, let's begin. The United Nations is an organization which was instituted to maintain peace in the world. So why the United Nations organization was formed? So that they could maintain peace all over the world. And this happened only after the World War II, when there was no peace all over the world. Okay. So it was established on 24th October 1945. So the United Nations, when it was established on 24th October 1945, it encourages nations of the world to solve their problems in peaceful manner. So whatever problems are across the world, across the nation, these organizations, the United Nations organizations, help these countries to solve their issues in a peaceful manner, not by war or any other manner. The name UN was given. So the United Nations name, who gave this name? So this name was given by F.D. Roosevelt. Okay. Presently, there are about 193 member countries of the UN. So, how many member countries have joined the UN? Around 193 members. And where is the headquarter of UN located? UN means United Nations. It is located in New York. Okay, students? Okay, the constitution of the UN is known as the charter. So there is a constitution of the UN also, and this constitution of the UN is known as charter. And who heads it? It is headed by Secretary General. So children, there are 6 organs of the UN. You should know these names properly. You have to learn these names. So the first one is General Assembly. The second one is Security Council. Third one is International Court of Justice. Fourth is Economic and Social Council. Fifth is Trusteeship Council. And the last one is Secretariat. So please learn these names. Now over here some special UN agencies are here. And short forms are given and full forms are also given. So you should know all the full forms, okay, and the spellings also. And I think most of the names you have heard also. See, number 1, UNESCO. So children, what is the full form of UNESCO? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Second one, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. This work for the children. Who all of you know, I think, World Health Organization. They work for the health of people of all over the world. WB, the full form of WB is World Bank. FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. ILO, International Labour Organization. Okay, from the name only you can understand they work for the labors. IMF, International Monetary Fund. UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. And the last one, UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Program. See children, over here one question is given that find the name of the present Secretary General of the UN. This is your homework. Please find out the answer and write in your books. And the last, let's read. So, India and the UN. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee is the first Indian to address the General Assembly in Hindi. So, he was the first general of the UN. You know, he addressed the assembly in Hindi. So, hope children you have understood this chapter. Please learn it. Thank you.